Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be restocking with me, I guess. You can shop these slimes, a link in the description. So the first thing that I did in this video was package up this caramel coconut Oreo slime. It's actually still in stock, so you can shop it now. But yeah, I just needed to pack this a little bit. It's a textured clay slime. Go shop. So then I just looked at what was like in my shelves or whatever, and I realized I really needed to make some slimes. So I first poured in some glue in my mixer, and I'm actually going to be making some cloud slime. So next I just added some scent and coloring. This slime is actually going to be a pink lemonade slime. So then I mix it all up, and this is the activation process. So this is when it turns into slime. And I just love this so much, and my mixer really helps me out. So as you can see here, before it turns into a cloud slime, it's a really tough, figgly slime. So I'm just going to repeat this whole process to make another cloud slime. This one is actually called Cotton Candy Cloud. And both these cloud slimes are in stock right now. I dropped them yesterday, so you can just shop right now, link in the description. So these next two clips are actually like a day later after they've sat for a little bit. They need to sit a little more before I turn them into cloud slimes, but yeah, they're really glossy. So now I'm coloring the slimes, turning them all different beautiful colors, and after this I'm going to add the snow, and then as you can see in the next clip right here, it becomes a really drizzly, fluffy cloud slime. This is fresh cloud slime, so it still needs to sit a little, but it's just so amazing. Look at it. So the final slime that I'm going to be making for this slime drop is an Icee slime called Blue Skies Ahead. So this is the fresh Icee slime, super sizzly. And then this is about a day later. The color is much more saturated from sitting. So now that all the slimes are completely made, I'm going to start filming for Instagram and for yesterday's slime drop video. I know this is kind of confusing since today is a day later, but basically this was all pre-filmed. So yeah. Now I'm just filming more videos, of course, and this is one that I'm actually probably gonna post on Instagram. So it's the next one, but here's the cloud slimes, like a week later maybe. Obviously, I'm not showing you all the clips that I filmed for the whole slime drop, so check them out on my Instagram and last video, just because I can't include all of them in this video. So here I'm showing you these glitters for Cotton Candy Cloud, and now I'm gonna start packing. So first I'm putting the glitters in, then I put the slime in, and yeah, enjoy these clips. I find them really satisfying. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out yesterday's video if you would like to see all the slimes. You can shop using the link in the description. Bye!